Welcome to Budapest, the heart of Central Europe. A city where history whispers from grand palaces, modernity thrives on lively streets, and the majestic Danube divides Buda and Pest. But today, we won't explore Budapest on foot. We'll take you to the skies for a breathtaking drone's eye view of this enchanting city. Prepare to witness Budapest like never before, soaring over its legendary landmarks, uncovering its untold stories, and experiencing the magic of the Pearl of the Danube from a whole new perspective. The Danube River is more than just a waterway. It's the lifeline of Budapest, flowing between two worlds, Buda and Pest. And connecting these two halves? Some of the most stunning bridges in Europe. The Széchenyi chain bridge, completed in 1849, was the first permanent bridge connecting Buda and Pest. A marvel of engineering in its time, it stands as a symbol of unity and resilience. Each bridge tells a story of emperors, revolutions, and the city's ever-changing identity. But the true beauty. Seeing them illuminated at night, turning the Danube into a river of shimmering gold. Perched high on Castle Hill, the Buda Castle has witnessed centuries of wars, rulers, and restorations. Once a royal palace, now a World Heritage Site, it offers a glimpse into Hungary's glorious past. And just nearby, Matthias Church, one of Budapest's most distinctive landmarks, its intricate Gothic architecture standing proudly since the Middle Ages. And of course, the Fisherman's Bastion, a structure that looks like it belongs in a fantasy world, yet serves as one of the best lookout points in Budapest. The Hungarian Parliament Building isn't just Budapest's crown jewel, it's one of the most breathtaking government buildings in the world. With 691 rooms, towering spires, and grand halls, it is an architectural masterpiece on the banks of the Danube. Inspired by the British Parliament, but with a Hungarian soul, this neo-Gothic structure tells the story of a nation's ambition and pride. Budapest isn't just about stunning architecture, it's also the spa capital of the world. With over 100 thermal springs, the city offers a unique way to relax in its legendary baths. From the famous Széchenyi baths to the elegant Gellért baths, Budapest's thermal waters have been healing travelers for centuries. But beyond its grandeur, Budapest hides surprises in every corner: charming ruin bars, hidden gardens, and buzzing markets. This city is a treasure trove for those who dare to explore. As day turns to night, Budapest transforms into a city of lights. Its landmarks glow, the Danube shimmers, and the city's heartbeat never stops. From its grand architecture to its hidden wonders, Budapest is a city that captivates the soul. And the best way to experience it? From above. If you enjoyed this breathtaking journey through Budapest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stunning drone footage from around the world. Let us know in the comments, which city should we explore next?